Deep in the hills of St. Thomas is a natural hot spring that people have said for centuries has the power to heal. It bubbles straight out of the mountain, loaded with minerals, and it has been officially declared a national monument. Today, we are making the trip. I am in St. Thomas with Kim from Kamasa Travel Services. We are visiting a place that has been on my personal bucket list for a very long time, Bath Fountain. Now, if you have heard of Bath Fountain before, you may have also heard the reputation. Aggressive vendors, unpleasant experiences, not worth the hassle. I heard all of that too, but I am here to tell you that my experience was nothing like that. Everyone we met was pleasant and respectful. Kim knows a few of the vendors personally, so that probably helped smooth things along. But either way, the vibe was good. If you love discovering the real Jamaica, the kind of places that never make it onto any resort activity list, go ahead and gently tap that like button right now. It genuinely helps more people find this channel, and these stories deserve a bigger audience. So let me paint the scene for you. We drove up to the Bath Fountain Hotel, a small, charming property that sits right at the base of the whole experience. From there, we hiked up to the river and the hot springs. Now, the river itself is shallow, so do not come expecting to swim laps. But that hot water pouring straight out of the mountain, steaming, mineral-rich, is something else entirely. I will be honest with you. The water was a little too hot for me. But here is where it gets interesting. If you would rather enjoy the mineral springs with more privacy and a little more comfort, Bath Fountain Hotel has you covered. They offer private rooms with jacuzzis fed directly from the mineral springs. So you get all the healing benefits of the natural water in your own space, at your own pace. That is a serious upgrade from sitting in the open river. And honestly, it sounds like the perfect way to spend an afternoon. The hotel also serves cooked food on site, so you can eat, soak, and just take your time. There is no rushing here. St. Thomas runs on its own clock, and Bath Fountain is no exception. The Bath Fountain Hotel has been declared a national monument by the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. That means this is not just a quirky roadside stop. This is a certified piece of Jamaican history, officially recognized and preserved. And yet so many of us have never once made the trip. If Bath Fountain is on your list, go with an open mind, and seriously consider booking one of those private jacuzzi rooms at the hotel for the full experience. And if you go with Kim, she will make the whole day effortless. Her Instagram is linked in the description below. Also, if you want more hidden gems like this delivered straight to your inbox, subscribe to the Uncover Jamaica newsletter using the link below.